Region 3's Department of Education is hosting a two-day anti-domestic violence workshop. Day 1 saw teachers being educated and sensitized about domestic violence and its adverse effects. Ayana George tells us more.
Prevention Program and Education Officer for the Sexual Offences and Domestic Violence Policy Unit attached to the Ministry of Social Protection, Deidre Eiffel, told the participants of the workshop that while the issue of eradicating domestic violence is a demanding task, reducing it is achievable.
Today, the teachers are the one that molds our nation, our youngsters, and we know that it starts from baby, inception, it's a teenager, it's the adults, it's everybody that's affected by domestic violence. The Sexual Offences and Domestic Violence Policy Unit is a policy unit, as it says, but we work with three pillars. We work with policy and legislation, where we interact with key stakeholders in formulating or, I don't want to say change, but we work with policy, we work with legislation as it relates to domestic violence, gender-based violence, and sexual violence.
Eiffel further stated that the Ministry of Education is working to remove the gap between teachers and students, which will improve and provide assistance to students who are exposed to any type of violence. Day 1 of the seminar saw a broad interactive session between the teachers and Eiffel.
Let's think about domestic violence. Let's think about a victim. Let's think about a child. Let's think about a man. Let's think about a woman who is in an abusive relationship and they feel trapped. Right? We have lonely. Again, let's think about domestic violence. Let's think about the victims, how they feel.
The workshop is a collaboration between the Ministry of Social Protection and Region 3's Department of Education and aims to work closely with teachers and students to implement guidance and counseling officers in the school system, assist and identify students who are exposed to domestic violence, and to improve advocacy and support groups in schools and the community at large. Reporting for InfoHub, Ayana George.